Rural marketing is an evolving concept, and as a part of the economy, it has a huge but untapped potential. The rural market in India is vast and scattered, offering a plethora of opportunities and promising a bright future for those intending to go rural. Running on these lines, the Rural Managers Association of XIMB, RMAX, organizes an annual rural marketing fair, Gramotsav. Started in the year 2006, it is the flagship event of RMAX. It is conducted in the most prominent rural hearts of Orissa. For the year 2008, the hearts selected were those of Tangi and Sunakhera.
मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट विषय सब कार्यक्रम पदक्षेप भविष्य अधिक अधिक द्रुतगामी कर गाँ गहली लोक पाखे सुविधा सुजोग पहुँचाई कर्तृपक्ष और छात्र मान अभिभाषण अनुरोध करुच्ची कंपनी गुड़िकर प्रचार कार्यक्रम छात्र मैंने से कंपनी गुड़िक भारत बहु नामी दामी कंपनी विषय अधिक अधिक सुजोग गाँ गहली लोक जनईदा बुझेदा दायित्व छात्र मैंने साधुवाद जनाऊँ।
सर ये जो बड़ बड़ कंपनी ये कंपनी माने गाँ लोकंर सुविधा किपरि भाव गाँ लोक ये कंपनी केते सुविधा पाई से विषय आप कौन भाई
विशेषकर महिंद्रा कंपनी विषय कहि महिंद्रा कंपनी गाँ गहली सब स्तर में कार्यक्रम गाँ गहली लोक अधिक सुजोग सुविधा जोड़ी महिंद्रा कंपनी ओडिशा राज्य 30 जिले
Data collection is done through various tools, games, and perceptive methods to judge customer preference, brand recognition, top of mind recall, etc. Questionnaires that are duly approved by the organizations concerned are also used for the same.
What do you think that this Gramotsava has the relevance for students of XIMB?
Gramotsava is actually an attempt to take the classroom learning to the field and to actually work out rural marketing in a real sense of the word.
What do you think that the companies can benefit by associating themselves with Gramotsava?
See, the companies have actually got 3 advantages over here, if I may say. One, they get market insights and they get customized market research services in the form of students carrying out market research activities when we get around 12,000 footfalls in 2 days. Number 2, they can also get to interact with the students and get to know what kind of talent pool is available, and they may use it for their future use during final placements. So they can take an informed decision whether to come to XIMBRM or not for placements.
Okay.
And third is that of course they can promote or launch products through Gramotsav and test their market strategies, or in other words, test marketing. So market research, test marketing and interacting with potential employers. These are the three benefits which companies get by associating with themselves with Gramotsav.
This year, apart from the